Meet the xTool M1. It's the world's first desktop dual cutting machine. It's integrated with laser engraving, laser cutting, and blade cutting capabilities, making it suitable for a wide array of creative uses. You can make a meal special, become a jewelry designer, adorn your home, DIY t-shirts for the whole family, immortalize fond memories. Even Spot can join in the fun as you take your parties to the next level. M1 combines two different cutting technologies together, a laser head and a blade head. With blade cutting, M1 avoids the burnt look and discoloration of soft materials. M1 is compatible with more materials than any other desktop machine, from soft materials to 8mm tough stuff. So whether you're cutting or engraving wood, leather, delicate paper, vinyl, or fabric, M1 performs well for any need. More materials processed means more possibilities for creation and exploration. Instead of clunky CO2 lasers that limit portability, M1 uses a revolutionary semiconductor dual-beam laser head that compresses the laser facula and provides double the power. Achieving cutting up to 8mm basewood in a single pass. And ultra-high accuracy engraving. With rotary attachment, M1 can also carve on cups. M1 has a built-in 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle high-resolution camera that lets you bring sketches to life just with your pen. With image extraction, you can easily collect all your memories. M1 can automatically recognize the official materials, autofocus and measure the thickness of all materials. AI batch processing empowers you to create multiple works in one shot. And Smart Camera can recognize and automatically cut the pattern. Making ideas come true has never been this easy. xTool M1 brings more joy to your life. Capture your precious moments. Surprise your loved ones. Save money or even make some. Stay safe and smile to the world.
Is Laserpecker 2. The new ultra-portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine adopts our most advanced technology so far. Industrial high-speed galvanometer solution. 10 times the speed increase. This means fast. Super fast. The high-speed preview program supports square preview and graphic preview. You get what you see. An upgraded 5-watt semiconductor laser with compressed spot technology. This means you can engrave anything, and it will give you higher power and more possibilities. The features of Laserpecker Pro are more amazing than before. It makes engraving easier. Handheld portable engraving, 360-degree rotating engraving, intelligent mobile engraving. The maximum size that can be engraved is 100 by 200 millimeters. Suitable for various materials. Motorized height adjustment, easy operation. 5-watt power supports cutting wood, paper, acrylic, leather goods with thickness below 5 millimeters. If you need to engrave 1 or 100 products, Laserpecker Pro will engrave at an amazing speed. Laserpecker Pro has the highest level of security protection. Super portable. Put it in your backpack. Turn on the power and you can use it anytime, anywhere. Laserpecker can always capture the smallest details. We have been working so hard to improve the portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine. Now we are back. Be the first one to enjoy Laserpecker 2. The super fast Laserpecker 2.
Cubiio 2, a revolutionary laser cutter and engraver. Light and portable, quick and easy. You can draw anything. Preview your work. Start with a beautiful fountain pen. Cubiio 2 can easily engrave on curved surfaces. Make a special gift for your loved ones. Choose any picture, and you can make it happen. With the versatile Cubiio 2, the Eiffel Tower is right in front of you. Bring your imagination to life. Cut leather quickly and easily. Create your own design. Our software can handle all your professional needs. Enjoy your very own moonlight on acrylic. You can use a wide range of materials. Have fun with your family. It's easy and safe. You can even decorate a birthday cake. Make an ordinary day extraordinary. Anytime, anywhere, make your dreams come true. Cubiio 2.
Complete your designs with the all-new Atomstack P9. It's a high-quality, professional-grade laser engraver that can turn your imagination into reality. Its small, lightweight design is easy to install. In just 5 minutes, you have an industrial-level machine ready to use. We have adopted the most advanced technology today to give you a high-quality laser engraver in your own home. It's more than just a toy. The Atomstack P9 is industrial engraving level and allows you to create high-quality professional products within your own house. The double-compressed 10-watt laser features a laser speed 5 times faster than traditional 5-watt laser engravers. The Atomstack P9 features a large 3.5-inch LCD screen control, which allows cable network or Wi-Fi connection to your PC in order to control the engraving. The SD card also allows for offline engraving to create anywhere, anytime. The included metal plate will help you protect your surface from the laser. With an extreme accuracy, the laser can let you easily cut 10mm cardboard or 5mm black acrylic board with ease. It also allows you to carve or cut on metal, ceramics, and aluminum oxide. Use the expansion roller to automatically rotate your product 360 degrees to engrave cylinders and spheres. You can turn daily accessories into a unique gift or into a thriving business. Create professional-grade work with ease. The Atomstack P9 is easy and safe to use, packed with safety features such as an upgraded security system, where the laser automatically stops when sensing abnormal state to prevent accidents. The protective enclosure around the laser protects your eyes from damage without the need to wear special goggles, and is made from glass and not acrylic to prevent any accidental firing. So be assured that your projects will be safe and easy to create professional quality work with the Atomstack P9.
Faster and stronger. Wainlux L3 has all the functions you desire for engraving. We adopted the most advanced technology to date. Industrial-grade metal guide rails maximize the printing accuracy. The speed of 10-watt semiconductor lasers is 10 times higher than before. Experience the unprecedented fast laser cutting and engraving. Accurate to the width of a human hair. You can easily engrave and assemble outstanding objects. Use mobile phone, Mac, and PC to drag the design into the desired place. Preview in the high-speed printing area to determine the printing position easily. The 10-watt semiconductor laser with LD plus FAC spot compression technology means that you can print on any materials. It can cut 5mm wood easily and quickly, satisfy large area printing needs or batch printing. Wainlux L3 USP can cut holes with exceptionally high precision. It is like tightening leather with a shoelace. Black and white printing and cutting to create 3D images for your materials and engineering drawings. Large printing area, 19 by 21 square centimeters. The repeat printing position memory function helps you make dozens of copies quickly and easily. Wainlux L3 has a laser displacement sensor for distance measurement, which can follow the curved surface to automatically focus. Use the expansion roller to rotate 360 degrees to engrave cylinders and spheres. You can turn daily necessities into a unique gift or a thriving business. You can become an artist, pastry chef, costume designer, or architect. Wainlux L3 is an easy-to-use and safe tool that anyone can use. This is by far the best high-speed multifunction intelligent laser engraving machine. We listen to your suggestions and improve the design. Bring you the best upgrade of Wainlux L3 laser engraving machine. Support us and be the first one to enjoy Wainlux L3.